Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any part of this one video. In this video, I will explain to you the powerful AI tools. Which one tools? Vheer. Vheer is almost free AI tools. We can use the Vheer free AI tools for making the 3D cartoon for the kids. How to use it? Come to the laptop. I will practically show it. Open the Google Chrome and then type the Vheer, Vheer, and then click on the enter button and click on the first link vheer.com. Click on it. You can see here free AI image and video generator ultimated. You can see here. So click on the start creating free. You can see here. Now, if you have account, then click on the login. If you have no account, then click on the sign up. You can see here. You can create your account, fresh account you can create here. You can see here. And I want to click on the continue with Google because I have already account. You can see here there are two accounts. I want to open the Vheer application on my first Google account. Click on the first account. You can see here sign into Vheer. Google will allow Vheer to access this info about you, and then scroll down and then click on the continue button. Click on it and you can see here this is the main page of the Vheer application. You can see here these are all options: text to image, text to video, image to image. You can convert the image to image, and you can convert multi-image to image, one image. Below is the option available about how to convert the image to video. This is the important option. And below is the image to prompt conversion. Below is the image to text conversion. These all conversion is available. The first conversion in text to image and the image to video. These two option is most useful option. Click on the text to image. I want to convert my text into the image for the 3D cartoon. You can see here, you can enter up to 5,000 word here. First of all, to select the Vheer quality, this one is free. You can see here, free model for balanced high quality. Select this one option, and this option is flux clean option is also available. You can see here, lightweight model for fast image generation. This one option is used for it. And you can see aspect ratio is also available. I want to select the YouTube one ratio. This is the use for the YouTube 16:9. So scroll down. This is the number of image. I want to create only one image. First of all, go to the ChatGPT first of all to create image prompt. You can see here I have already created the image prompt. This is the scene one. Copy this one prompt. This prompt is about the obligation of the wuzu. Then paste the image prompt here in the Vheer application, and you can see here this one is the Vheer quality 0 credit, and this is the generate button, and you can see here, click on it. The generation will start here. The text will convert into the image. You can see here this is the image created by the Vheer application. You can download it. Click on the download option. Vheer application has been downloaded the image. Now I want to convert the image to video. This one option, select this one option, and you can see here select image option is also available, or minimize your window and copy paste. You can directly copy and paste and drag and drop your image, and scroll down. You can see here this is the generate button. First of all, you can set your video here. First of all, to paste the video prompt, go to the ChatGPT again. This is the video. Close it. I have copy and paste the video prompt here, and then click on the generate option. Click on it. The generation will start here. The Vheer application convert the image into the video. You can see here video generated successfully. Click on the play button. It will play. You can see here. And you can download the video. Click on the download button. The download will start here. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to use and how to make a 3D cartoon by the Vheer application. Vheer application is used for to making the 3D cartoon. So if you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.